learn obligations and establish traditions. Parents must teach their children the obligatory duties all Muslims must fulfill, and to act on as many established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as possible. Therefore, parents must strive to gain correct Islamic knowledge so that they can teach their children correctly. They must organize for someone to teach them if they themselves are still learning the duties of Islam. Parents cannot live in ignorance and simply command their children to gain knowledge. It is no secret that a child imitates their parents. If a parent prefers ignorance over gaining knowledge, there is a good chance so will their child. Gaining knowledge in order to act on it, and to teach one's children, is an important aspect of raising children in the correct way. This is one of the reasons why obtaining useful knowledge is obligatory on all Muslims, according to a hadith found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 224. Simply put, how can a parent guide their child if they are ignorant? This is like the lost traveler guiding other lost travelers. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.